A to Z அல்ஃபாபெட்டிக்கல் பிக்சரோட மீனிங்கோட சில சென்டென்ஸ் எல்லாம் மேக் பண்ணி அதில் கொஞ்சம் தமிழும் வரும் இங்கிலீஷும் வரும். கண்டிப்பாக பாருங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். சின்ன பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு அது காமிச்சா ஈஸியாக புரிஞ்சு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிப்பாங்க. கண்டிப்பாக சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், மறந்துடாதீங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. ஓக் Oak, a hard, strong, valuable timber tree. Chindura maram. An oak is a type of tree. A wood from oak trees is hard. Acorns grow on oak trees. Oar, rowing implement consisting pole with a flat blade at the end. படகோட்டும் துடுப்பு. A boat can be rowed with 2 oars. Oats, a cereal plant. Oat என்னும் தானியம். Farmer Brown grows oats on his farm. When they are ripe, he harvests them. Philly fowl like to eat oats. Obey, do as told by சொற்படி நட. You should obey your parents and your teacher. Oblong, rectangular and of greater length than breadth. செவ்வகம், some loaves of bread are oblong shaped. Bricks are also oblong. Occasion, opportunity, சந்தர்ப்பம். An occasion is a happening or an event. A birthday is a special occasion. A clock is used to telling the time. 4 o'clock is tea time. 9 o'clock is the time school begins. Octopus, a sea animal with 8 arms which can touch the blood of its prey. இரத்தத்தை உறிஞ்சு கூடிய 8 கால்களுடைய ஒரு வகை நீர்விலங்கு. An octopus leaves the sea. It has 8 long arms or tentacles with suckers which is used to catch its food. Omelette, non-vegetarian dish containing egg whipped and fried. முட்டை கலந்த ஒரு அசைவ பலகாரம். When Henrietta hen lays some eggs, we can use them to make an omelette. On, showing the place. மேலே, Dicker dog is sleeping on the settle. Brian Baker must switch off the oven before he can pack his bread. One time, ஒரு முறை. Bobby boy missed the school bus once. He missed it and one ocean only. The first of the numerals ஒரு 1 is the first number. If you take 2 from 3, you have a 1. Onion, edible plant producing the budget bulb வெங்காயம் BUNGET budget bulb வெங்காயம். A onion is a vegetable. It has a strong smell. Only single ஒரே Belinda ballerina is an only child. She has a no brother and sister only. Open, unlock, திற. Benjamin Butcher's shop is open. It is ready for the customers to come in. Abera, a kind of drama adapted to Muser Sangeetha Nadagam. An opera is a play in which words are sung instead of spoken. Perhaps Carol Canary could sing the opera. Opposite, in front of, எதிரான. Opposite means as different as possible or helps to tell you where something is. What is the opposite of dry? Fast is the opposite of slow. The toy shop is opposite the post office. Or else அல்லது or shows that there is a choose. Leo Line can wear his red shorts or his blue shorts. He can wear either. Orange Orang-utan. Orang-utan, a kind of ape common is the East Indies. கிழக்கிந்திய தீவுகளில் காணப்படும் ஒரு வகை வாலில்லா குரங்கு. Orang-utan have long arms, short legs, and are covered in the reddish brown hair. Reddish and brown hair. Orchard, a garden of fruits trees, பழத்தோட்டம். Farmer Brown has a small field of apple, pear and palm trees. This is orchard. Orchestra, a body, a musicians பாடகர் குழு. Orchestra. Lots of different instruments make up the orchestra. Organ, a large musical wind instrument, பெரிய இசைக்கருவி. An organ is often found in a church. It has a keys rather like a piano. Urban, a parental's child, அனாதை குழந்தை. Urban, Norman nephew is an urban. Both his mother and father have died. Ostrich, a large fast running bird living a sandy desert. நெருப்புக்கோழி. Ostrich நெருப்புக்கோழி. A large fast running bird living a sandy desert. நெருப்புக்கோழி Ozzy is an ostrich. He can run very fast but they cannot fly. Otter, a kind of fur covered water animals living on fish. நீர்க்கீரி, and another swims very well and feeds on fish. Over, above, மேலே. Kede kangaroo jumped over the fence. The game was over. It has finished. Oh, be in debt. கடன் பட்டிரு. Jack owes Jill 50 pence. He has borrowed the money from Jill and must say it back. Owl, a bird of pretty on thy prey on thy. A owl has big eyes and flies mostly at night. Own, belong than oneself, சொந்தமான. To own something is to have to possess something. Farmer Brown owns his farms. It is his property. Axe, bull, காளை. An axe is large farm animal. In some countries, oxen are used for pulling carts or plough. Oyster, an enable shellfish. Chippy, the shell of an oyster may contain a pearl.